Hey guys, M6 Mexican here. This is going to be a quick video just to show you my first modification on the car, which is going to be some back taillight tint. This is by SlickMod. This is going to be a really fast and easy instruction guide. I'm going to show you everything we're going to need for today's video, and it's going to look great, trust me. Sorry about all the stuff back here. First thing we're going to need is some soapy water mix. This is not the all-purpose. I actually removed all of it and put in some soap and water. We're also going to need a little squeegee. This one I got here by Tech Wrap. This is for vinyl wraps and all sorts of other things like that. It's pretty cool. It's for vinyl work. Over here I have the SlickMod Tint taillights for the back. And we're just going to need a blow dryer or a heat gun. I do happen to have a heat gun here by Wagner. It's a little $20 one. Not really expensive at all. It does what it needs to do. Really good stuff. Alright, let's get to it. First thing that needs to be done is you need to go ahead and apply some soapy water. This is going to be a wet installation. Keep it nice and wet. Had a little mix up. It actually went to go to the left side. So there's a comparison right there between that one and that one. Alright, I'm gonna have to continue this as soon as it stops raining. The weather's been really crappy this whole month. As soon as it stops, I'll tackle all of the left side and then we'll move on to the right. Alright, here is the end results on the left side. I used a smaller squeegee this time. I couldn't get in certain corners and whatnot compared to that. Yeah, I mean, that's a pretty darn good looking thing right there, man. Can't go wrong with that. Oh yeah, absolutely awesome. Yeah, after I applied it down, I made sure I used the heat gun on each of the corners. Make sure you slide it down on each side. That way it stays nice. Oh yeah. Alright, let's finish up. Getting the last one on here. Oops, that didn't look great. Alright, now I have all of them set. It takes about a day or two to cure. Oh, it came out really nice. Can't go wrong with that. Yeah, that looks sharp. We're just going to give it a couple of days, but that's pretty much the installation. It's as easy as it gets. This video is not going to be too hard at all. Like I said, soapy water. Make sure you apply it with soapy water. Make sure you also wet the sticky side with soapy water as well. Grab yourself a squeegee. Go ahead and get a heat gun. Heat it down from all the edges. Make sure it's nice on each end so that way it sticks. And yeah, enjoy. It can't mess up. Seriously. I was even testing the product itself. I even put it to the sticky side. Accidentally put it on the wrong side. All kinds of hair got onto it. I wiped it off with the soap water and it just looks great. You really can't mess this up. Like I said, like and subscribe for more content. I have tons of more ideas I got going on. We're going to do a mid-muffler delete next. It's going to be fun. See how that goes. Thank you. Alright, so let's check out how they look.